Hey everybody, it's Steve for F8. Today we're going to talk about how you can use video to grow your business. A flyover video like the ones we produce at F8 helps you achieve 3 marketing objectives all at once. It helps you sell the listing, helps you sell the neighborhood, and helps you sell yourself. First, the flyover video helps you sell the listing you have right now, like this one. Aerial clips show the home from a unique perspective that can't be replicated with photos and videos on the ground. Second, the flyover video shows the neighborhood that the viewer will be buying into. This is especially important if this is an area that you farm regularly, because potential sellers will see their neighborhood in your video. And if the home is located in an area that is a key selling point, the flyover video does a great job of showcasing local amenities and landmarks. Third, the flyover video sells you. This type of video promotes your business by demonstrating to potential sellers that you go above and beyond for your listings. If you'd like to order a flyover video for your own listing, go ahead and click the link in the description below. Please be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips on how you can grow your business. This has been Steve for F8, where we specialize in creating content that's better than being there.